Guys, look at this, the moisture on this, like
mixed with that glaze.
the glaze.
What's up, guys? Okay, so this is the last video in the What Vegan Husbands Want series for Valentine's Day. We gave y'all a loaded vegan omelet for breakfast and a slutty vegan burger for dinner. So go ahead and hit that like button, because today we're gonna give y'all some simple romantic desserts to cap off your vegan Valentine's Day festivities. Alright, now all these recipes include Bailey's Irish Cream, which happens to be one of my wife's favorite adult beverages. The brand recently released a vegan version of their iconic drink, which is made now with almond milk. So us vegans can enjoy this delicious drink irresponsibly. This is not a sponsored video. Sponsor us, Bailey's. Now, our goal was to keep these recipes easy to follow. So we have 3 recipes, each with a slightly higher degree of difficulty. But don't worry, we'll walk you through it. So you'll have no problem making something extra special for that someone extra special in your life. Even if that someone is you. Treat yourself. Alright, and I just want to show you guys a close-up of the vegan Baileys. That's what it looks like. So that way you know what to pick up at the liquor store. Let's get into the video. So first off, we're gonna make a white chocolate Bailey's dipping sauce for fruit. And today we're gonna be using strawberries. But you can use whatever fruit you wanna use. Here's what you're gonna need. Some freshly washed organic strawberries, your vegan Baileys, and of course, confectioner's sugar. All right, and here's how you make it. So you want to add your confectioner's sugar to a separate bowl, just a little bit. And then you're going to add a small drop of almond milk. Add some more. If you overdo it, don't worry, just add some more confectioner's sugar to it. You're just going to add a tiny drop of liquid. You don't want to add too much because it will just dissolve in the liquid. Yeah, like I said, just add a drop of Bailey's and a drop of almond milk. Not too much. Alright, so we just finished making the white chocolate dip. And a couple tips. You want to sift your confectioner's sugar first, just so it makes it more even when you're mixing it. It'll make it nice and smooth. And the second tip is, if you would like, you can add some vanilla to the mixture, just to up the flavor a little bit. Alright, so let's get to dipping these strawberries.
Dip, dip, dip.
Dip it. Alright, and once it's all mixed, you want to go ahead and transfer it to a deeper bowl. That way, when you're dipping your strawberries, you have more depth, and it makes it a little easier to dip those strawberries in there. Alright, it's dipping time, and what you want to do is you want to take your fork, and you want to gently shimmy your fork in there, so that it's on there. Not too far though. And then you want to get as much of that on there as you can. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My mouth is watering just
I
looking
can hear
it. All right.
All right, take a taste.
Now for the taste.
Taste test.
Now for the taste test. Ooh, that thing is dripping.
Can you taste the Baileys? What does it taste like?
Like candy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a little drunk.
That's good.
That is really, it tastes like candy.
Now, will that harden if we put it in the fridge?
If you want to do it like a chocolate covered strawberries, you can also put it in the fridge. But you want to make your dip a little thicker, and then go ahead and put it in the fridge, and it's going to harden for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like it as a dip.
Because you're not going to wait. You're not
Nah, I'm not waiting.
He's on his second one.
I know I'm supposed to show y'all more video, but like, I'm like into this right now.
All right. You officially have stuff on your shirt.
It ain't a party if you don't got stuff on your shirt. All right, that's it. Let's get to the next thing. So up next, we're making a creamy, decadent caramel milkshake. Here's what you're gonna need.
No!
Some frozen bananas. And what you want to do is you want to freeze them when they're at their ripest, when they have all the spots on them. And that's what's going to give you that caramel flavor. Also, we got some peanut butter. This is a freshly ground peanut butter from Whole Foods. We got a mixture of almond milk and caramel creamer. And finally, our vegan Baileys. Alright, so now we're going to make our caramel milkshake. It's super quick and easy. So let's get to it. All right, so first you want to go ahead and add your bananas. Nothing special, just throwing them in there.
We are special. My mommy says special.
My mama says you gotta play with us. And then next you want to go ahead and put your fresh ground peanut butter in there.
Peanut butter always smells so good.
Oh yeah. Throw that in there. Okay, that should be good. And then next up, I have here my mixture of my Baileys, my almond milk, and agave. So now you just want to pour that in with your peanut butter.
I can smell that Baileys.
Oh yeah. And then we blend. Just gotta tighten it a little bit, that's all.
We'll see.
All right, and next, now you want to pour it in your fancy glass. Hopefully you can get a glass as fancy as this one.
Our leftover New Year's party glasses.
All right, so you just go ahead and pour that in there. Look at that. Nice and caramelly. And then I'm just going to top it with some vegan Ready Whip. Yeah.
Our favorite.
All right. Ooh, look at that. All right.
Chica, bow. Wow.
And finally, we're gonna be making our mini white rum cakes. All right, so we got some flour and agave in this bowl. And we have some more agave to be added to that mixture. We have some melted vegan butter. This is some aquafaba or garbanzo bean liquid. This is gonna act as your egg or the binder for your recipe. This is a salt and baking powder mix. And of course, your vegan Baileys. All right, so in here, we're gonna add our flour and agave. And we're also gonna add in our salt and our baking powder mix. All right. Now we choose to use agave, but if you wanna use white sugar, that's fine also. That was it for the dry ingredients. Now let's go ahead and tackle the wet ingredients. All right, so what I did is I just put my butter or your vegetable oil into a 1 cup measuring cup. All right, next you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of garbanzo bean liquid. Okay, so next up what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Irish cream and then we're gonna pour it to half of the 1/3 cup line. So you only wanna fill up half of it. And then the other half you're gonna fill with almond milk or cream or whatever your choice may be. All right, and next we're just filling it with our almond milk or creamer. So we have our cream mixture and we got our butter and our garbanzo bean mixture. So these are the binders and this is the cream. All right, and now we're gonna add our cream to our egg mixture until you fill it to the top. And you just add a little bit more of the almond milk just to fill it to the top so it makes 1 cup. You just pour that and there you go. All right, so now we have our wet mixture and our dry mixture. You combine those together and there's your batter for your cake.
Ooh.
All right, and you just pour it in there slowly and start mixing it around.
It smells very rummy.
It smells very rummy, but it also smells very like caramelly and delicious.
Oh.
And I'm just gonna pour the rest of that liquid mixture in there, the wet mix. And you want your mix to be nice and creamy. All right, so this is the consistency that you want. You can also use a mixer if you have one, a beater. I did it by hand. All me, no one else. Nobody else helped.
Guys, I mixed it.
Yeah, but this is the consistency. You know, Chris is a beast with this. So, but you know, this is the consistency that you want. We're gonna put a glaze on top of it, so we don't want it to be too sweet. But yeah, if you want to taste it and add some more sugar to it, be my guest. And make sure that your pan or whatever you're using is buttered up real nice. And we're just gonna pour that in. And you want to allow it some room to rise. So you want to pour it like maybe halfway in there. And just pull it up. Just pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
It's gonna be so cute.
Yeah, it is. Oops. I'll fix that later. I just realized the taste that it has right now It's like a sugar cookie taste, and that's gonna actually be very delectable in cake form. So I'm actually excited for that.
Sugar cake, man.
That's sugar cake, man. What is this? Alright, so I was able to get 5 out of this. If you can get more, that's great. And you want to just take the back of your spoon and just smooth it out a little bit. Alright, just to make it even. And just do that for all your little bunts. All your little cakes, all whatever you got. All them little bunts.
All them bunts.
Oh, let me fix this up. Fix this little bad boy up. You good? You good, little cake?
Be a man.
Be a man. Alright.
It's ready, man.
Is there?
Ready, man.
Right. Alright, you just want to pop these in the oven and just put it for like, I would say 20 minutes. Alright, so I just got my bundt cakes out and the house smells amazing. Let's take a shot of those. Get the bundt cakes in the back.
Get the bundt cakes in the back.
Ooh.
Smells amazing. Such a pretty color too.
Alright, so now we're gonna wait for it to cool and then we're gonna put some icing on it. Alright, so as you can see, the bundt cake turned out amazing. And next what we're gonna do is just drizzle some of that frosting from earlier, or that dip from earlier. Just drizzle that bad boy on top there. Mmm. Mmm. You can taste the bellies.
You can?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Look at you, making cake.
This cake is good as hell, man. I'm sorry, but it is, man.
I'm sorry, so sorry.
Mm. Yeah, I'm about to finish this up right now.
We got a close up of that. Ooh. Oh, that looks pretty.
It's so moist and tender.
Oh, yeah. Do that again.
No.
Good job, buddy. What, you feeling yourself now?
A little bit.
Guys, look at this. The moisture on this. Like,
mixed with that glaze.
the glaze that bounced back. And then at the bottom, you have
even more
the glaze that dripped down.
Your mouth all watering.
I know. Your mouth was watering. I was making fun of you, but gosh. Yo. Can y'all even see? Can y'all even see the moisture in that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, y'all have to try this. Happy Valentine's Day to me.
Alright, so that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you want to see more videos from a vegan husband and let me know what you guys want to see. And share with someone you love. That's it for now. Happy Valentine's Day. And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
Happy Valentine's Day.